This is my 15-minute walking at home with Lucy. So it's an indoor walking workout. This helps with our health, our fitness, it helps with weight loss. It's low impact, all standing. And the first move is going to be part of the warm up. So if you're ready, let's start walking at home.
So just follow along, and we're going to start with just doing this basic march. So we're just marching on the spot, land nice and softly, keep that upper body nice and tall. So how it's going to work today, we're going to do non-stop walking exercises. Every 30 seconds approximately, I'm going to show you a slightly different move. We're just going to have fun. It's low impact. It's just about moving our body at home. So you can see on the right, you've got your countdown clock. So just land nice and softly with those feet, keep those feet moving. So for our first move, what we're going to do is we're just going to walk forwards to a corner and just give me a slight little bend through the legs. So it's just a little tap, and it doesn't matter if you don't get the move straight away, just follow along. We're doing this at home. Nobody's watching. It's just you and I getting fit while we're walking at home. So just give me that little bend. That's good. And it's all about having fun and moving our bodies. All right, so now let's just take it back, and we're just going to do a basic march, but just give me a little power punch. So we're just adding in those arms, just landing nice and softly with the feet, and just give me that punch. So we're toning your arms, we're making your body work nice and hard, keeping that going. So it's low impact, but it's still super effective. If you don't like being a burpee girl, if you don't like just doing high impact, these low impact workouts are perfect. So now give me that little side step. So we're traveling side step. Just draw in those arms, pull in those arms. That's good. Draw them in, keep it nice and wide. So you're taking those arms, drawing them in front as we're doing that lateral side step. Side to side, that's good. So this time now, what I want you to do is just step 1 foot back and just give me that full arm swing. So we just swing one arm in front, tapping that foot behind, that's good. Keeping that going. So nice straight long arm, leg behind, tap that behind. And as I always say, if you'd prefer to have music, all you need to do is simply turn down the volume and put on your favorite music. So let's bring it back now to a fast march, but we're going to step in front. So we're going to step in front. So tap forwards, just give me that little knee bend. And make the most of the room that you've got. Tap it in front. That's good. So just that simple little walk forwards, and just give me that little tap. So for your next move, what we're going to do is we're going to just do a power march, but we're going to add in this arm move. So your elbows in line with your shoulders, just squeeze that in. This is really good to work through your chest and through your upper back. Keep that upper body nice and tall. That's good. And this is constantly walking at home. So it's a really clever way that we're getting your step counts up, but we're also toning and sculpting your whole body at the same time with these moves. So next move, this time now, let's bring it back to that side step, and just imagine we've got 2 ropes here, and we're just going to pull them in, and imagine there's something really heavy on the end of those ropes. Pull them in. So we're just working through the arms, doing that lateral side step. So we're also helping with lower body. We're working through those outer and inner thigh muscles at the same time. So for your next move, this time now, we're just going to go super fast feet. So take those feet as fast as you can, doing really well. Just think, let's get in as many steps as we can on this little walking interval. Always focus on landing nice and softly. Keep those feet going and just think what we're doing. We're getting fitter and we're getting stronger. Just 15 minutes of walking at home. So for your next move, this one now, I just want you to imagine you're stepping over something. So we're just doing that lateral step over. And you can make that move as big and dynamic. And if you want to make it harder, step it out wider and stay lower. Just imagine you've got like a little stream or a little fence here that we're just stepping over from side to side. So for your next move, this time now, arms up and just pull them down. So imagine now we're pulling something down from the ceiling. And this is also a really great workout, which is just super knee friendly. And we're actually going to build strength around the knees because we're really working through the lower body. We're making those legs nice and strong. So draw those arms down, keeping those feet moving. And anytime we take the arms above heart level, it just means we're working your heart cardiovascular fitness a little bit harder. So let's just give me a single punch, alternating punches, and just give me that little toe tap. So we're stepping it side to side, tapping that foot slightly behind. That's good. Keeping that nice and strong. Try and keep those arms up at shoulder height as well. And of course, great thing is, as I always say, you can do all my workouts, these low impact ones, walking ones, you can do them in your pajamas. You don't need to be in workout gear. Bring it back now to a fast power march. And if you are looking to do an indoor walking workout plan, I have got my specially created 21-day one. And this gives you a day-to-day guide of walking workouts, but we also focus on nutrition. So you have a daily nutritional plan as well as all the different recipes. So it's 21 days, you follow it. Really easy to follow indoor walking workouts. I'll leave all the details down below and at the end of the video. So for this now, we're just doing this little walk from corner to corner. And just give me that little bend and just give me a clap at the same time. That's good. So travel that from one side to the other. Add in that little clap. Keeping that going, make the most of the room that you've got, doing really well. So now bring that back and we're just going to do a power march. Keep that upper body nice and tall and just do these circling arms. So each week for about 3 weeks, I'm going to give you these walking workouts. You'll be familiar with some of the moves, but we're mixing up the routine, always adding in new moves, but it's quite hard. I've done over 1,000 free workouts on my YouTube channel, so it's hard to keep coming up with new moves. All right, that's good. Just keeping that going. Roll those arms for me, keep those feet moving. So for your next move now, we're just going to do 2 lateral side steps. And again, just pull in those arms. So imagine we've got those ropes in front. We're just pulling them in. Traveling from side to side, and you can make that move as wide as you want. The wider you step it, the more intense that is working through those legs. So the good news is you are over halfway on this workout. So for this move, this time now, we're just going to do a clap. So it's like you're just going to double step and give me a clap, double step and a clap. And something that we're doing in all these routines that I've done recently or that I'm about to show you is all about working your muscle and mind connection. So we're having to focus on what we're doing with this double step and this clap. So it's going to help improve what we call your motor skills and your coordination. So now bring it back. Let's have fun. Let's do these really, really fast feet. Let's see how many steps you can get in this little interval here. Keeping that going, doing really well. Walk nice and fast with me. You and I are focusing on your future health. This is what this is all about. It's about investing in how you're feeling tomorrow. All right, that's good. I want you to wake up every morning feeling fit, healthy and strong. And keeping that going. Well done. So for your next move, this time now, we're just going to do a heel dig. So we're just going to push the heel in front and just doing that little bicep curl. And if you're not already, definitely come and find me on Facebook. So we have a Facebook group It's free to join. We have over 40,000. So really, Lucy Squad is this lovely online community worldwide where we help each other on our health journeys. And I've also got my Facebook Lucy Squad page. So now just take it to that side step. Just give me those alternating punches. These are fun, great move here. And we're just working full body and all these walking exercises because I'm adding in arm moves. That's how we're just keeping them super effective. So we're just really increasing your metabolism. That lateral side step, keeping that going, having fun and making sure we're smiling along the way. All right, so next move, let's bring it back. Fast feet now. So we've got less than 5 minutes to go. And as I said, who cares if we're out of time, if we don't get the move right? All I want to do is have 15 minutes with you today at home, constantly moving your body. Low impact, using body weight. So these are safe, effective exercises to improve your health, fitness, and help with weight loss. So now we're just going to take that side step and we're just going to clap above and below. So you're just alternating. So it's just that little side step and just add in those arms. And as I always say, weight loss should only ever be for better health. It's not about for appearance. We just want to be in our healthy weight range. And it's all about health. Let's forget about how we look. Let's focus more on about how we feel. All right, so now let's bring it straight back. And what we want to do is just feel energized every day. Just feel happy and healthy. That's what it's all about. So just do these little power marches, but you can add a little bit of a 180-degree turn while you're doing it. Keeping that going and marching that on the spot, but just doing that little bit of a turn, changing the direction. All right, so this time now we're going to step forward and we're just going to do a palm press. So step forward and just take one hand and just do a palm press. And you can step the foot out slightly to the side, depending how much room you've got. Keeping that going and just give me that palm press and just give me that little bend, tap the foot out. All right, so now let's bring it straight back and back to that really fast march. We've got less than 6 moves to go now. Each one we're doing approximately 30 seconds, just having fun. So do let me know in the comments down below, because this workout, I've just gone straight into one move to another. Do you enjoy this format? If you do, then I'll do more. All right, so fast feet, let's just keep that going. So for this next move, we're going to do side step, but just open up and close through those arms. So really nice, powerful move here. This one, especially good for opening up through your chest. We're working through your upper back. Powerful arms. That's good. Keeping that nice and focused. Squeeze that back. Lateral side step, and this one here really lovely to work and strengthen and tone through your upper back as well. Let's bring it back now. Fast feet. We're going to really keep that speed up, so we're just going to get in plenty of steps today. And if you've liked this workout, please do share it as well. Share it if you've got a Facebook page. Let your friends know, family, because it's just a really easy, free way that we can all move our bodies more at home. I want to change the narrative on fitness and show people it can be fun. Right, so this time now, let's just go for doing a low impact star. Just step that foot out, reach those arms across. And in this workout today, we've done body weight. I always say body weight is one of the best ways to look after your bone health, your metabolic health. So this is great if you're perimenopause, menopause, postmenopausal as well. But you know what? This workout is just brilliant for everyone, because simply what we're doing is we're moving your body. All right, so we've got 2 moves left, so let's take it straight back now, back to that fast power march, doing really well. Less than a minute to go today. Let's keep going to the end. fast feet, just an easy way that we can move our bodies at home. And as I said, low impact is just as effective as high impact. So if you don't like jumping, the great news is you don't have to. So for our last move, we're going to finish off on one of my favorites. So I do use this one a lot, but you know what? Because it's super effective. So it's just imagine you are cross-country skiing, long arm swing, step that foot behind, a really dynamic full body move. Also great for a lovely stretch as well. Tap that foot. Let's just keep going. Last little bit. And just remember, as I always say, this workout today has always just been about focusing on improving and investing in your future health.
So well done. That is your 15-minute walking at home workout done. Now, if you want to quickly now just do a 5-minute standing ab workout with me, all you need to do is click there and we'll get straight into working your abs. If not, well done. There is your high five, and I'll see you back on my YouTube channel tomorrow, and I'll leave a link in the description down below for a cool down stretch.